and then you. What did I first think? Eyes. Our eyes just exploded. My heart exploded.
I don't think so.
Which person would you like a holiday in Greece with?
I think probably my wife would be pretty good,
that
you know.
makes sense.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
That'd be
Beyond
nice.
if you said
You know?
Amber.
Yeah.
Your wedding already happened. I mean, is that true?
I can't answer that question.
Hello guys, welcome back to Savageous West. Spider-Man Brand New Day is the first movie Tom and Zendaya is doing as a husband and wife. Tom calling Zendaya his wife was kind of shocking for their fans because उन्होंने अपने marriage को publicly celebrate किया ही नहीं and suddenly they are husband and wife. So it is kind of shocking for their fans. But today we are going to talk about the whole timeline of Tom Holland and Zendaya's relationship because काफी लोगों को उनके relationship को लेके कुछ confusions है. कुछ लोगों को लगता है कि 2016 में जब स्पाइडरमैन का फर्स्ट मूवी आया था तब से ही दे वर डेटिंग बट नो दिस इज टॉम एंड ज़ेंडाया विथ डिफरेंट पार्टनर्स इन 2019 सो देयर रिलेशनशिप इज नॉट एज सिंपल एज इट लुक्स लाइक अपेरेंटली दे हैड अ रियली बैड ब्रेकअप जिसकी वजह से दे बोथ स्टार्टेड डेटिंग अदर पीपल सो वी विल टॉक अबाउट एवरीथिंग ओके सो टॉम एंड ज़ेंडाया मेट इन 2016 ऑन द सेट ऑफ स्पाइडरमैन होमकमिंग ये उनकी फर्स्ट मूवी थी साथ में अभी 2016 में वो इस मूवी के लिए शूट कर रहे थे बट मूवी 2017 में रिलीज होता है एंड अराउंड दिस टाइम व्हेन दे वर प्रमोटिंग दिस मूवी टुगेदर इस दौरान उनके इंटरव्यूज में जिस तरीके से वो एक दूसरे के साथ बिहेव कर रहे थे लाइक टॉम वाज कॉन्स्टेंटली लुकिंग एट ज़ेंडाया बोथ ऑफ देम वर फिनिशिंग ईच अदर सेंटेंसेस एंड देयर बॉन्डिंग वाज सो गुड टुगेदर दैट उनके फैंस को लगा दैट दे वर डेटिंग इन फैक्ट अराउंड दिस टाइम सम सोर्सेस वर क्लेमिंग दैट दे वर एक्चुअली डेटिंग ईच अदर बट ज़ेंडाया एंड टॉम कंप्लीटली डिनाइड द रूमर्स इस टाइम ज़ेंडाया ने रूमर्स को मेंशन करते हुए एक ट्वीट किया था वेयर शी रोट वेट माय फेवरेट इज व्हेन इट सेज वी गो ऑन वेकेशन टुगेदर आई हैवंट बीन ऑन अ वेकेशन इन years and Tom also tweeted this and said does the press tour count now obviously इस time fans को लग रहा था that they were trying to hide their relationship next year in 2018 Tom was constantly praising Zendaya he also attended some event to support Zendaya and also he reposted her Met Gala look saying killing it mate and this was the biggest hint for the fans he was literally acting like a proud boyfriend here but then 2019 changed everything 2019 में Zendaya was working in this series called Euphoria and she started dating her co-star Jacob Elordi. Jacob and Zendaya were constantly spotted with each other. And ऐसा नहीं है they were casually hanging out as friends. They were kissing each other, holding hands like normal couple. And not only Zendaya, even Tom started dating other people. In fact, उन्होंने अपने relationship को Insta में official तक कर दिया था. First, around 2019, he was dating a girl named Olivia Bolton. Apparently, they were childhood friends and they started dating. उनको साथ में कुछ events में spot किया गया था. But around early 2020, they broke up and Tom started dating Nadia Parks, who is also an actress and producer. They started dating around early 2020 and apparently they spent the whole lockdown together. इस दौरान उनको multiple events में भी spot किया गया था and on 20th July 2020, Tom posted this photo of Nadia on his Insta and this is how he kind of made his relationship official. But then around late 2020, Tom and Nadia broke up. उन्होंने एक दूसरे के बारे में post and all delete कर दिया and they unfollowed each other. And around September 2020, Zendaya and Jacob broke up too. अभी उनके breakup का reason तो नहीं पता but apparently their breakup was bad because after that even after working together in this series they were never spotted with each other and now उन्होंने साथ में कोई scene किया and then in early 2021 Tom and Zendaya started dating again and in July 2021 this famous picture was captured where they were kissing in the car and this confirmed that they were dating each other again and in the same year in September Tom in a way made their relationship official by posting this picture of Zendaya on her birthday with the caption my MJ have the happiest of birthdays 2021 में ही स्पाइडरमैन का एक और पार्ट रिलीज होता है which was Spider-Man No Way Home and इस मूवी के प्रमोशन के टाइम भी it was very clear that both of them were dating each other and after that there was no break in the relationship around 2025 Zendaya was spotted with her engagement ring जिससे उनका engagement in a way confirm हो चुका था and apparently this year in March they got married now उन्होंने कभी भी अपने relationship के बारे में ज्यादा कुछ publicly नहीं बोला but 2023-24 तक they were calling each other as boyfriend girlfriend and अभी जब स्पाइडरमैन का न्यू मूवी रिलीज हुआ they were calling each other as husband and wife so they are not really trying to hide their relationship I think they just want to maintain privacy they don't want to talk about their relationship publicly and I think that's really fair what do you think about this let me know in the comment section and for more such video please subscribe to the channel thanks for watching see you in the next take care